In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover the best ways to start generating income online right away. The digital realm is brimming with potential, offering a myriad of avenues to earn a living. We'll delve into the captivating world of affiliate marketing, the lucrative practice of dropshipping, the flexible field of freelancing, and the art of creating online courses. Each of these pathways holds the promise of turning the internet into your personal goldmine. Stay tuned to unravel the mystery of online income generation. The first method to explore is affiliate marketing, a straightforward yet effective way to earn online. Picture this. You're the invisible link connecting a buyer with a seller. You're promoting products you believe in, and for every sale made through your referral, you earn a commission. This is the essence of affiliate marketing. Now you might ask, where do I find products to promote? Enter affiliate programs? Many companies, big and small, run these programs. A prime example is Amazon Associates. You promote any of the countless products listed on Amazon, and for every successful sale, a percentage of the profit lands in your pocket. Imagine the possibilities. You could be sleeping, traveling, or sipping a cup of tea, and you're still making money. All you need is a platform to share your affiliate links. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even your social media profiles. With affiliate marketing, you become the bridge between the buyer and the seller, earning profits along the way. Next up is dropshipping, a lucrative business model with minimal investment. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, think of it as a modern twist on the traditional retail model. Instead of stocking products in a physical store or warehouse, you simply partner with a supplier who handles the inventory for you. Your role is to market and sell the products. When a customer makes a purchase from your online store, you forward the order to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You don't handle the goods, you don't manage stock, and you don't worry about shipping. Your focus is purely on sales and customer service. This business model is particularly appealing because it requires minimal upfront investment. You don't have to buy inventory in advance, which reduces your risk substantially. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without ever touching them, making it an attractive option for online income generation. Now, let's delve into freelancing, a flexible and diverse field with endless opportunities. Freelancing, in essence, is the selling of your skills, talent, and time to a variety of clients. It's a fantastic way to monetize your skill set. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or anything in between. Imagine the world as your marketplace, where you can showcase your talents and attract clients from all corners of the globe. Online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr act as a bridge connecting you with potential clients. These platforms are bustling digital marketplaces where you can set up shop, offering your services to a global clientele. Freelancing is not just about earning money, it's also about the freedom it offers. The freedom to work whenever you want, wherever you want, and on projects that you are truly passionate about. So if you're ready to take the plunge, the world of freelancing awaits. Freelancing offers the freedom to work on your terms while earning a respectable income. Last but not least, creating online courses, a method that capitalizes on your expertise. This avenue is particularly enticing if you have a knack for teaching and a wealth of knowledge to share. It's all about transforming your expertise into a comprehensive, engaging course that others are willing to pay for. First, identify your area of expertise. You might be a whiz at digital marketing, a maestro of the piano, or a master of Italian cooking. It doesn't matter. If it's something you excel at, there's a good chance others will want to learn from you. Next, design your course. This involves breaking down your expertise into manageable lessons, creating engaging content, and perhaps even incorporating quizzes or assignments to enhance the learning experience. Then, film your course. This doesn't need to be an elaborate Hollywood production. A simple, clear video with good audio can do the trick. Once your course is ready to go, it's time to market it. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera are excellent for this. They have vast user bases eager to learn, providing you a ready-made audience. And here's the cherry on top. Once your course is live, it can generate income for you automatically, Each new student equals more income with little to no extra work required on your part. By creating online courses, you not only share your knowledge with the world, but also generate a steady income. So there you have it, 4 effective ways to start generating income online. We've explored affiliate marketing, dropshipping, freelancing, and creating online courses. Each path holds its own adventure. The world of online income generation awaits you. It's time to take that first step and start earning right away.